Today unboxing are on my September TLV purchase. Very heavy month and a heavy toll on the wallet, especially if we don't get this for free. Quite an interesting assortment here. As usual, I'll keep it very short and split it to bite-sized videos to share with everyone. Here's the Nissan Cedric and also the Nissan Gloria wagon, which I'm going to feature it now. The pair of Nissan Silvia hatchback and also the Nissan 2020 50th anniversary model. The pair of Evo Lancer 6 variation and also the Isuzu Elf truck. I will unbox the truck together with the Town Ace wagon that was released last month, since I do not have a chance to feature it. And now let's take a closer look at the Nissan Cedric wagon V20e. Nostalgic look with the standard TLV packaging box. Wow, this Cedric wagon is really impressive, and I try not to miss any of it, especially the Cedric wagon. It's like the real thing. It's extremely clean and polished. You cannot see any flaw on the casting itself. Also comes together with the side mirror, which you do not have to install yourself, and that's great. The unique selling point for TLV is really on the finishing. Yes, sure, the price is higher than many other die-casts. Wheel sets are in mirror finish, very nice. Finishing itself, there's really no complaint. That adds a lot of points to the realism. Lots of details in the interior as well. Apart from the beautiful paint job on every TLV, what I really like is the exquisite touch on the casting. It's very refined in 1/6/4 scale. This is why I keep going back to TLV. I'm looking forward to see more variation of these Cedric wagons in the days ahead. Next, the Nissan Gloria van or the wagon from Hyogo Prefectural Police. It's been a while since they add Japanese police car onto the list. Stunning details true to the brand of Tomica Limited Vintage. They always divert themselves away from the popular or the fancy casting, but they themselves start the trend by introducing all these down-to-earth Japanese nostalgic car with superb details. Even have this sort of a sticker or label on the door. It's not a QC error. It's very impressive. Clean casting, and the siren has a lot of details in it as well. The Hyogo Prefectural Police marking on 3 sides of the car. Very clean and detailed rear with precision. I always love viewing extreme close-up of TLV casting. It's really a joy, and it's really money well spent. Stay tuned for more TLV unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye! These awesome Tarmac Works casting are a random giveaway to my lucky subscribers who actively like, comment and share my videos in this channel. 3 lucky subscribers will stand a chance to win a pair of these Tarmac Works casting. I will select the 3 lucky subscribers next week.